I got a brand new dump trailer, and I'm going to use that as my intro to my what has now become my monthly update video, since I really don't have time to video record a lot of repair work that I have to do. Anyway, I bought this dump trailer, and I will do a review on it at another time after I get a little more acquainted with it and find out what I like and what I don't like about it. Climb up here and look inside. It's 3 feet tall. I have not taken a tape measure to see how wide. It's I think the floor in it is 7 feet wide or just under, and you see it's a little bit wider, maybe 6 inches wider on each side, so we might be 8 feet wide, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's quite 8 feet wide on the inside, but anyway, it's 16,000 pound axles, or two 8,000 pound axles. Hauls a load of rock pretty good, and the reason I did it is because my regular dump truck over there, I can't justify putting the license plates and insurance on it this year, because it's like around $1,700 to license and insure that truck this year. It's gone up maybe $300-400 from last year, and I'm just not going to do it because I don't get enough use out of it to pay for that. I'm only using it for myself because of the mobile home project. I just don't have time to do other work. I'm working full-time driving the truck, and then the maintenance and repairs on driving an old truck, and then the mobile home, and it's just hard to hire people to do work because I'm too picky. I don't want the kind of help that's available, and the people that are qualified are not available. They're all booked up solid. Anyway, we'll look at the trailer there in a minute. Here's 2 piles of rock. I don't know, get you an idea of how big these piles of rock are if I can. Just set this camera down for a second. I'll walk around behind the pile and in front of it. I don't have a tripod. I just set the camera down on this forklift attachment that goes on the Bobcat. Anyway, those are a little over 6 tons a piece, so that trailer comfortably hauls 6 tons. This truck here, I have a dump bed on it. It used to be a pickup bed. I took the pickup bed off, put a dump bed on it, and I built that box on top of it. And I could put about 3 tons in that, but I found out that this trailer is not balanced. It's not balanced good for putting a load on that truck and on the trailer. And it's a good thing in a way. If you notice, the wheels are set farther to the back, maybe 2 feet closer to the back than they are to the front. And then you got the extended tongue there. Well, it's not extended tongue, but it extending out that far puts, well, there's a lot more weight. Probably 2/3 of the weight is on the front of the axles and not over the axle. So it puts a lot of weight, probably puts a couple or 3,000 pounds of weight on the trailer tongue, on the hitch. So I think I said already, I can comfortably put 3 tons in the back of this truck, but not with this trailer loaded. Now when I relicensed the dump truck over there, the white truck over there, of course that's a much stouter truck. I could put 6 tons in the back of that truck and 6 in this trailer and easily walk away with 12 tons. But I might get 2 tons in this truck, but not 3 when the trailer is on it, because there's just too much trailer weight, too much tongue weight on it. And I will do a video on this trailer after I find out more of the pros and cons that I'm running into with it. And I'm not planning on editing this video, so I'm not going to turn the camera off. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. As you can see, we got the siding done. Let me get over here to this end of it. And it's a gray day, but most of the days are gray. So you got nice straight lines going down all the way down. It's looking pretty good. Got some septic work going on in the back here. I'm not going to get into too much of that because I'll have to walk in the mud to get back there, but got this going on back here. And what else is there? Just working too much on the day job, and then when I get home to do this, it's getting dark on me when you know, an hour or so after I get home, and so I can't get much in over here. So I apologize for not getting repair videos in. I'm trying to do that, but I just can't not prioritize YouTube right now with the weather changing and you know, winter's coming on quick and I'm not ready for it. The Jeep here, probably won't record it, but I need to replace a brake line. The pedal went to the floor again. It did it about maybe 4 years ago, and I had to patch up a brake line. And now I got another one that has I mean, I remember the one that broke the first time was up near the front of the car, but this one is someplace above the axle, someplace above the rear drive axle. I got fluid coming out. I haven't jacked it up to find out just where yet, but it's going to sit here until I get a chance to work on that. Got some more wheels back from having them reconditioned, and I've got one that's done. I got 3 more new tires back there that's going to go on these. Are going to go on the trailer from work. I don't know what else to say. I still got equipment that's out that needs to be put up for the winter. Need to get some gas treatment in the gas on these machines. And there's a dog wondering who I'm talking to. Motorcycle in the shop. I still have gasoline in it from 1.5 years ago, or should I say 1 year ago, because I didn't drive it enough this year to run the gas out of it that was in it, because I just don't have time. I'm not going to open the garage door to show you that because it's still locked. Anyway, sorry for a goofy catch-up video, but I'm going to go on ahead and shut the camera off now. And thanks for watching, and thanks for keeping the YouTube channel going for me. I've noticed a big decline in people leaving comments on videos, and it's probably because I mentioned on one of my recent videos that I'm just coming up here to scrape the mud off of my shoes. I've noticed a decline, and I did say something about that I'm not going to answer everybody's comments, especially the ones that I just don't see. I don't understand what the comment is for, but the regular people that have always commented something to let me know that they watched my video, I've noticed a big decline in those guys. And you guys know who you are, and I know who you are, but I'm not going to mention names. But I always looked forward to hearing from a number of individuals that watched my videos, and they would just say a little something. Most of the time it wasn't anything pertaining to the video. It's just letting me know, giving me that support, that moral support, letting me know that they're watching. And I always appreciated that, but I haven't been hearing from a number of you guys lately, and I apologize if I offended someone by saying that I'm just not having time to respond to every video. So, well, that's true. It is hard to respond to every comment. But and a lot of it's my fault because I'm just not that good at thinking of what's an appropriate response when they're not asking a direct question about something. And so instead of spending hours at the computer typing in responses to a bunch of comments, well, now I'm not getting hardly any comments. So I apologize for that. I'm only getting maybe 5 or 10 comments a week, and they're from previous videos. And I was getting 30 or 40 comments on every video for a while, but now I'm not. So I missed that, and if you guys want to get back on and comment again, let me know who's still watching. I appreciate it, and I'll try to respond a little more regularly. But it's just trying to divide up my time with so much work going on with the winter coming on, and I just trying to get as much done as possible before winter actually stops me from doing anything outside. Well, I'll wind it up now. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, everybody.